In this video, I'll show you how to cook the best super tasty
So you enjoy the POMO.
Yes.
And today's own that we're going to be preparing has lots of POMO, has periwinkle, has PANLA, and it is so delicious. Today's episode promises to be very interesting. So sit back and enjoy.
The first thing we're going to do is to wash our fish, then season it with little garlic, some onions, salt, and seasoning cubes. I'll also like you to know that garlic brings out the best flavor in fishes. The next thing we'll be doing is to wash our tomatoes, pepper, BAWA, and onions and blend them. After blending it, we'll set aside. We'll also wash our POMO and boil it. After boiling it, we'll dice it by slicing it into smaller portions, then set aside. Then we'll also debone our PANLA fish, then set aside. Then we'll wash and boil our periwinkle for 2 minutes. The first step is to add our palm oil and let it heat up a bit.
Then you can see our palm oil is hot. Then we'll add some tomatoes. So the next thing we're going to be adding is our locust beans. Our locust beans or iru, then we'll stir after adding it.
So we're going to be adding our POMO that has been diced.
Then we'll add our periwinkle that has been previously boiled. We're adding our shredded fish, PANLA fish. Then we'll add our fish stock. And we'll gently add our previously boiled fish. Then we'll add 2 seasoning cubes and some salt. As you can see, our beautiful OKPEYIN is ready. So now we know how to prepare OKPEYIN stew. Special thanks to my little sister Gary or Gary for joining me on today's edition. See you on another edition. Bye.
If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the notification button below. Also give me a thumbs up. You can also share this video with your family and friends. You can reach me on Instagram at Jessica Agari. Follow me on Twitter at Jessie_Zazy. You can check my website jessiequeenscuisines.websites.co.in.